Hi, this is math lesson number 4. We're on page 227. We're going to do 227 and 228. So number 1, it says use your fraction cards, and we don't have any unless you've made some, like we talked about in our Zoom meeting last week, I think. So you can draw and make this work. So it says use your fraction cards to find another name for 3/4. So you want to draw a shape with 4 parts. And we're going to color 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. So that's 3/4. So we need to decide if A, B, C, or D is the same thing. So 1/2. So envision this shape. If I colored 1/2, would it be the same? It wouldn't. So it's not A. What about 3/8? So if I take that shape and instead of fourths, I do eighths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I need one more. 8, and I color 3 of them. I guess I need to make it the same size. Hang on. 1 second. Here's the fourths. And now I'm going to make it into eighths. All right, if I color 3 of them, is that going to be the same as 3/4? Probably not. What if I color 6 of them? Is that going to be the same? Yes. 6/8 is the same as 3/4. Okay. Number 2, write 2 even 4-digit numbers, which means your number has to have 4 numbers in it. So it's going to be in the thousands. It has to be even. And if it's even, it's going to end with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So you can make any number you want as long as it ends with those. It's only the ones place that matters. So I could do 1,366 even. 6,432 even. Now write 2 4-digit numbers, so 1, 2, 3, 4, that are odd. So they're going to end with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Okay, number 5, you can solve those. It doesn't matter when the equal sign's on the other side. So let's give you an example. Equals 292 minus 14. What does 292 minus 14 equal? It's still going to go here. And I would write it like this so that you can regroup. So 4 does not come from 2, so I need to borrow a 10, move it over. 12 minus 4, now 8 minus 1, and 2 minus 0. And number 6, they gave you a huge number in the thousands. It's in the 96,000s. So 96,527. These are all the same things we've already learned about numbers. This is the ones place. This is the tens. This is the hundreds. This is the thousands. And then they call this the 10,000s. So the 5 is in the hundreds place. The 6 is in the thousands place. You can either write hundreds or thousands, or you could say the 5 is in the, it has a value of 500. The 6 has a value of 6,000. Because we know that this number, 96,527, is really 90,000 plus 6,000, oop, wrong spot, plus 500 plus 20 plus 7. All together, we'll get this number. And you can see they each move down in their place value. Okay? All right, let's see if we turn it over. I have 85 cents. How many 5-cent pieces of candy can I buy? So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. You keep going. How many pieces of candy can you buy with 85 cents? If each one costs 5 cents, how many fives will it be? Number 2 is the same thing we just did with 69,000, except now it's 67,000. So the 8 is a value of 8 ones, or just 8. Number 3, how much money is that? I see dollars. So you want to add those first, $10 plus $5. That's going to get you $15 with a dollar sign and a decimal. And then the coins, a quarter, 2 nickels, and a penny. So how much money do you have? Number 4, the total cost of Nina's lunch is $7.50. She paid with a $10 bill. How much change will she get? We've seen this in a couple of lessons, so we need to say she had $10.00. We need to write that part, and 0 cents. She spent $7.50. As long as we line up our place value, we should now be able to subtract. How much does she have left? Number 5, Justin had 92 cents and found 21 cents more. How much does he have now? Estimate and then solve. So he had 92 cents, which is close to 90, and he found 21 cents, which is close to 20. So he had about 110 cents, or $1.10. But now you do the math. You have to line it up though. $0.92 plus $0.21. Do the ones, the tens, and then the dollars are in the hundreds. And then number 6, use pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. So they do want you to use all of those coins to make $2.20.